Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.